Hello everyone! Air fryer baked apples is a super easy dessert you can make in 20 minutes with a minimum amount of effort. I will share with you my toppings I have used for this recipe, but you can also try to experiment with other toppings. It's always fun. Share your creations in the comments of this video. For this recipe, you will need apples. My go-to apples for baking are Granny Smith, but you can also try other types. Pick the apples which are the most firm, so they better keep the shape during the baking process. Cut the core from the apple. Ideally, you should use apple core, which makes the process very easy. I wasn't able to find mine, so I used jalapeno core instead, which kinda did the job. Alternatively, you can cut the apples in half and cut the core with a knife. Now you can load apples with various toppings. I am using almonds, raisins, pistachios, cinnamon, some nutmeg and chocolate chips. If you like it more sweet, you can sprinkle some brown sugar as well. Personally, I like it a bit more sour, so I added some sour mandarins. Now top it off with some butter and it's ready to bake. Add a little bit of water to the bottom of the air fryer on the dripping pan. Remember that air fryer is not meant to steam food, so add just a little bit. 1 tablespoon of water should do it. It will help to produce steam when baking apples. Put the apples inside and bake for 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. All done. It also goes really well with vanilla ice cream. If you like this recipe, you should also check out my other collection of simple desserts. Click on the next video on your screen. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.